Hi everyone. Well, today's video, I thought I should film the Canadian winter. Oh my goodness. Well, today it was minus 13 degrees Celsius with the wind chill. And today was the storm of the century. We actually beat our world record in Montreal set in 1971, where 47 centimeters fell in the course of 2 days. Today, believe it or not, I thought we got 25 centimeters, but we got actually 45 centimeters of snow. Holy crap. And it was the worst of all because it was blowing snow with the wind at 68 kilometers an hour. So a lot of people are snow blowing, a lot of people got stuck in the snow. I had to bring my snowblower inside to have to do some repairs to the chute. So I had to rely on good old Toro. Just to give you an idea how high the snow is, it's all drifts. It's madness. Jeez Louise. Can't believe 45 centimeters fell in the course of 1 day. So that is about, let's see, maybe 22 inches of snow. Oh wait, no, 17, 18, sorry. Yeah, because 1 inch is around 2.5 centimeters. So around a good 17 inches. And just to give you a little perspective what the front looks like. You can see the door caved in. A lot of snow blowing and shoveling. It took around 3 hours to clear everything. You can see how much 45 centimeters really is. Again, that's around 17, 18 inches of snow. Crazy. Yeah, certainly a white winter wonderland here in Canada. Nice and warm too. Well, a lot warmer now since the wind has died off. But just show you that we got crazy amounts of snow here. Alright everyone, so I do hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And I do have some other videos that I made over the past couple of days, just haven't had time to upload them yet. Alright, see you later.